Mila comes equipped with 3 lullabies, nature sounds, and white noise to lull your little ones to sleep. To play these, select Lullabies on the main menu. Select the camera from which you would like to play the lullabies. Under Lullaby, you can select the sound or lullaby you want to hear. Under Sound Activated, you can select On or Off. When turned on, Mila will play the selected sound or lullaby for 5 minutes when noise is detected. Under Duration, you can set the amount of time the lullaby or sounds will play for. Select On under Duration to play continuously. When selecting a time duration, the time remaining will show up on the bottom left corner of the monitor. Under Camera Volume, you can control the volume of the lullabies coming from the camera. We hope this video helps you get the most out of your Mila monitor. For other great tips and videos, visit mylavana.com.